Yeah, thank you very much, Jörg, for the ride. You and Patrick Dempsey in a 911 Turbo S, a new one on the racetrack. What was that like? I guess you prefer to take the wheel yourself.
Yeah, definitely. I'm a super bad passenger, but luckily Patrick knows what he's doing. He's won races in the 911. And yeah, I was in good hands and was really nice to see how much he enjoyed driving the new car.
You're also a true 911 expert. How many races?
Too many to count, I'd say. I started in 1994 in a 964 Cup and then raced every generation since then, so 6 generations in total. And for the past 5 years, I'm now part of the test and development team as well.
So Jörg, tell us, what is it like to shape an icon like a 911 Turbo S?
Yeah, it's my second dream job. The first one for sure was being a factory driver and now working with the best engineers at an amazing facility like Weissach to build such a beautiful car, which is, for me, the perfect sports car. I think the team worked really hard on that.
This car is the icon of Porsche, the 911 Turbo S and now the new one. What makes it the perfect sports car for you? Just the track performance?
No, not just the track performance. For me, it's the range it has. On one hand, you have the perfect daily driver, super comfortable, all the features that you want in the car. And then when you take it to the track, it just blows your mind. With a T-hybrid system, there's no turbo lag anymore. 711 horsepower, 800 Newton meters. It just goes and puts a huge smile on your face. So I really enjoy driving it on track.
Yeah, and even we managed it, you mentioned it, to make high-performance combustion engines future-ready with the lightweight T-hybrid concept. And Jörg, thank you very much for supporting. It's a great pleasure. Yes. If you want to dive deeper into our high-tech facility Weissach and the new 911 Turbo S, check out the full world premiere on the Porsche YouTube channel. And now, over to Scott Keogh from Scout. Scott, the stage is yours.